Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Skinny TV, and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Karan, and today I am going to be trying out Donna's recipe hair care. So I got the sweet potato pie extra creamy moisturizing shampoo, the extra creamy moisturizing conditioner, the extra creamy leave-in conditioner, and the extra creamy hair and scalp oil. So I'm going to be giving these 4 products a try today and see how I like them. Alright, so this is the first lather. And look how, like, it's moisturizing too. Like, you can feel it. So this smells like straight up sweet potato pie. Like, it feels like you're in the kitchen baking right now. But it does feel moisturizing, like it's a moisturizing shampoo. And this is just the first lather. Like, I haven't even, and my hair was really dirty and greasy. So for it to be this sudsy from the first lather, it's doing a pretty good job. When I rinse it out, I'll see like how clean my scalp feels. Alright, so I rinsed out the shampoo. This is what my hair looks like after rinsing that out. Now I'm gonna go in with the moisturizing conditioner. And it's super creamy. There really isn't much slip to it though. It just feels like I'm putting in like a leave-in conditioner, like a thick one. But there really isn't much slip to this conditioner. It does say after shampooing, smooth the conditioner down your hair, concentrating on the ends. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for 10 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright, I rinsed out the conditioner, and upon rinsing it out, my hair did not feel moisturized. Like it slightly feels moisturized, but not like, it feels like a light moisturizer is on it, which I guess it's okay for a conditioner, but nothing like, no wow factor. It doesn't feel super soft. It just feels like hair. Like, you know how sometimes when you use certain things and your hair feels like pillow soft or light as a feather? It doesn't feel like that. It just feels I don't know how to explain. I'm gonna go in now with the extra creamy leave-in conditioner. This one says to apply to wet or dry hair, no need to rinse. And all of the shampoo, the conditioner, this leave-in conditioner, it smells like sweet potato pie. I don't know how I really feel about my hair smelling like food. I really don't like stuff that smells like food, but I decided to give this a try. I kind of feel like this has more slip than the conditioner itself. I noticed the same thing with the conditioner where, like right here, you see how it's like still white? Like it's not, even on this side, you can kind of see it. Like even on this side, you can kind of see it where it's like there's still, like the product is just sitting. It's not, I noticed that with the conditioner too. Like some parts it just looks like the product is just sitting on my hair and it's not actually, you know, doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, so because I'm gonna blow dry my hair, I'm gonna come back and use this extra creamy hair and scalp oil after, because I don't want to put this in my hair and then like heat damage or burn my hair or anything like that. So I'll be back to use after I blow dry my hair. I will say one thing about these products is that I notice as I'm detangling my hair to blow dry it, it's more manageable than, maybe because I'm using my Tangle teaser, but no, I don't think so. I honestly feel like my hair, it's more manageable than usual. Like I've already detangled this side of my head and it was easy. And now I'm working on this side, I'm gonna separate it. Now that I'm working on this side, I notice like, it doesn't hurt. And the brush is just gliding through my hair, no problem. So I will say that it has made my hair more manageable, which is actually pretty cool. I like that. All right, now that I've blow dried my hair, I'm gonna go in now and do the extra creamy hair and scalp oil. It's like solid, but I'm not explaining it. It's not like a butter. It's literally like solidified coconut oil, and you gotta just keep rubbing it. But I don't think, let me see. It says apply a small amount to damp or dry hair, style as desired. Use as step 2 for the lock routine. Leave-in oil cream, or the final step for the LCO routine. Leave-in cream oil. Let's see. First ingredient is shea butter. Second ingredient is coconut oil. Third ingredient is avocado oil. Then castor oil, sweet almond oil, sunflower, and the list goes on. So that's why it's like, and it you don't need a lot. Like a little goes a long way. Put right here. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Just rub it right here. And then like see how it just like goes into the scalp. It just doesn't like sit. It just melts right in, melts right into my part. I think overall with these products, I like the shampoo. Like it lathered up pretty quickly. It had from the first lather and the second lather, it lathered up pretty well, pretty quickly. I would say my scalp feels clean, my hair feels clean. It doesn't feel stripped. It's definitely a light moisturizing shampoo. So if you need a good moisturizing shampoo, I would definitely recommend this. After using like a cleansing shampoo, I would say go in with this. So now the conditioner, using a conditioner, it's just a regular conditioner. I didn't really see anything amazing with it. Like yes, my hair is soft. It feels, you know, soft and it moisturizing, but it wasn't like pillow soft or like super soft or anything like that. I didn't really see that much of a difference. And then the slip on there really wasn't much slip. This is more like on the thicker side, which I would consider it more of like maybe a mask. And it also said to leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. So there's that. Now for the leave-in conditioner, I like the leave-in conditioner because it's lightweight, but then it also has much more slip than the conditioner. And they all smell the same, so it's no difference with that. I would have to see like after a few days to see like, does my hair need more moisture and do I need to add more of this in the next few days. And the last product is the extra creamy hair and scalp oil. It melts instantly from the heat, your body heat, and then rubbing it on the scalp, it just I don't even know what the word is, but it just melts right into your scalp essentially. I haven't put it on like my hair, I've only put it on my scalp so far, but I would have to see how it is with adding it to my hair, see if that makes any difference, if it's going to be like heavy or if it's going to still be lightweight. So overall with the 4 products, I think I like the shampoo the most and the hair and scalp oil. Like the conditioner I can go without. The leave-in conditioner is cool, but I usually don't like using leave-in conditioner that's wet like that, unless my hair is like blown out or it's in its natural curly state. If I'm planning on doing like a blowout, a silk press, or like flat ironing my hair, then I usually go for more of a light spray kind of leave-in conditioner that I put on my hair before the blow dry, or sometimes, yeah, depending, yeah, before the blow dry, and that's it. So that kind of leave-in conditioner, I noticed, especially when I was blow drying my hair, like although my hair was more manageable when detangling it and then blow drying it, it kind of gives that kind of like stiff, like hayish kind of feeling, and I don't like that. So usually that's why I use like a lightweight spray type of leave-in conditioner if I know I'm gonna blow dry my hair and flower it in. But yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for Donna's recipe hair care. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys use these products before. How did you like them? How did you not like them? Like, would you buy these products? Let me know, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.